Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter of the social media video editing tutorial. So, now we are on our chapter number 12, and here I'll be adding a B roll footage in your video using Filmora. Okay, so we'll be learning how you will be able to add more video footages here in the same frame, and you'll be able to view all of it. And I'll give some professional effect to that as well. Okay, so we'll be learning all of that here in this particular chapter. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So now here, as you guys can see, now I'm here in the home page of my Wondershare Filmora application. So the first thing what I need to do is I need to import media. Okay, so I will choose what are the medias do I need. Okay, so let me take this video right over here and let's use control from my keyboard, and using that one let's take few other videos. Okay, so I want to import more over here. Okay, so let's just come down. Let's take this one over here as well. Let's come down right here. Let's take this one and let's take this one here as well. Okay, so let's check which all we'll be able to take it from here. Let's take this one, and I will just want to take some audios here as well. So let's take this audio and let's open it up. Okay, so here you guys can see. Okay, I will just click on no, and yeah, this one looks quite great. And here you guys can see onto my media option right over here, I do have all of these things present. Okay, so I will just decrease the size right over here. Okay, and I'll just make the screen look quite bigger. Okay, so first thing what I need to do is I need to choose that wherever are in particular what place or what is the background of the video or what is the primary video gonna be. Okay, so first of all I need to choose what the primary video is gonna be, and as I have just only imported videos over here for a B-roll footage, there is no problem if you do have any kind of images right over there. Okay, you guys will be able to use those images as well and will be able to put on the B-roll footage accordingly. Okay, so first of all, if you want to see the preview here onto your screen, you are able to see a preview of the video of how it will basically look. Okay, so the first thing what I'm going to do is drag and drop here it in the timeline. Okay, so here you guys can see now I have just dragged and dropped it here on the timeline. And suppose what you want to do is from the timeline you want to come and you want to go to the video option, and suppose let's go on top a little bit. Okay, so if you just want to scale it down here, you will be able to scale it down. If you want to scale it up, you guys will be able to scale it up. And suppose you want to go back to the same position, you guys will come here and just click on this particular icon and you will be able to go back to the same position here as well. Okay, suppose now I will just feed this one here to the timeline. Okay, so here now I do have this video and the total duration of the video is 20 seconds and 21 frames. Okay, so by default, let me also check what is the project settings over here. So here you guys can see the project setting right over here is it is in full HD mode, which is 1920 into 1080, and the frame rate is 25 frames per second. So I'll just click on OK right over here. Okay, and basically now to add any kind of b-roll footage, okay, suppose what I want to do is now I will have this particular thing played. Okay, so here as you guys can see, once I am playing this thing up, and here what I want to do is I want to put up another frame of video appearing right over here, and after a while it should also disappear accordingly. Okay, and after that once it disappears I want another frame to appear here onto this particular side, and again afterwards it should disappear accordingly. Okay, so I'll be putting on and showing you guys also how to do that over here. Okay, so once you are right over here, let's get back this particular playhead. And what I want to do is now I need to select that which video do I want to put. Okay, so let's take this video. But before that, now on top of this particular video, I don't have any video tracks. So I have showed you already. Here you come here and just click on this add video track. If you want to open track manager, here you guys can see. Now here you, or from here also, if you want to add multiple tracks, you will be able to add multiple tracks from here as well. Whether it's for the audio or whether it's for the video, you will be able to add multiple tracks, and also you will be able to select its placement. Okay, so do you want it above track number one, or do you want it below track number one in your video? So the same goes with the music as well. Okay, so let's come here, let's click onto this option, let's click add video clip. So by default it will be placed on top of this one. Okay, so no problem, as I do want it this way. So now what I'll do is I'll just drag and drop it right over here on top. Okay, so now I will just decrease the size of the video. So let's take the total duration of the video. Let's see how long the video is, basically right over here. And here you guys can see the total duration of this particular video. Okay, so if you just right click over here, if you want to work with any speed and stuff, you guys will be able to do it from here as well. Okay, so let's first come and let's just decrease the duration of the video maybe to 5 seconds. Okay, so let's come here, let's take 5 seconds right over here as well. Okay, so I will just come here, let's increase the video, and I will just increase the video from here as well. Okay, so how it actually looks right now, if I just play it up, here you guys can see this video here in the middle is just appearing. So let me come here and let me just increase the quality to half. Okay, so now in the preview I will be able to see half the quality of my total video. Okay, so this one is fine. Okay, no problem with this particular video. This is the b-roll footage, but what I want to do is I want to just put it here in one side. Okay, so in that case, what you're going to do is you are going to scale this thing down. Okay, so you're going to scale this thing down, and also you can come here and you can just position it accordingly. Suppose I just want to put it here on the left hand side. Okay, so let's come here and let's just move on to the x-axis. Okay, so I have just put onto the x-axis right over here, and now I just want to send it here on top. Okay, then I'll just increase the y-axis and it will be moved on top of my frame right over here. Okay, so now if I just play it, how it actually looks. Okay, let's see. This is how it will look, and here you guys can see that video. Now it will disappear accordingly. Okay, so this is the work of b-roll footage. Okay, if you just select this one over here, and if you want to see it here on the screen as well. Okay, so if you just double click, you guys will be manually able to place it over here as well. Suppose if you want to place it anything, okay, if you want to change its placing as well, you will be able to do it manually from the preview window as well. Okay, suppose let's come here, let's select this. Okay, if you do want to give this thing a rotation as well, you guys will be able to give rotation. Suppose if you want to flip it accordingly, you will be able to flip it accordingly as well. Okay, so if you just want to check all these things out, you guys will be able to check this video type here as well. Suppose you want to put any drop shadow. Okay, here you guys can see on the back of my screen here, if you just zoom in. Okay, so here you guys can see there is a shadow on the sides. Okay, here you guys can see this is the projectile shadow, and after that you guys will also be able to select the angle of the shadow. Okay, and we'll be able to see the color of the shadows as well. Okay, so let's we just keep this particular color, and let me just decrease the angle right over here. Okay, so I'll just keep it on a 52 angle. Let me just decrease the distance from here as well. If you want to make it more blur, just increase the blur option from here, and also under opacity you can increase or decrease the opacity according to yourself as well. So this was about the drop shadow option. Okay, and this is about flipping, and here if you want to add any mode, Okay, here you guys can see there are different modes right over here. You guys will be able to add it from here as well. Okay, so these are different blending modes. And after that, if you want to auto enhance, you guys can on this option and you will be able to auto enhance the video. And this is about the background. If you do want to put up any blur effect and stuff, let's come right over here. Okay, let's on the blur background option. Okay, here you guys can see if you want to put up any color, you guys can basically choose the color option. If you want to put up any pattern, you will be able to do it from here. Otherwise, you can directly off it from here as well. Okay, so here you guys can see the here I do have the masking option, the AI tools if you do want to put any animation. Okay, so here let's come to this video. If you want to fade in and stuff, what you can do is you can drag and drop it here onto your video. Okay, so you guys can come here and drag and drop it. So now let's just see how it actually looks. Okay, so here this is how it will appear. Okay, so here you guys can see if you want to click on apply option, here you guys can see this is how it will actually appear. So now let's just play it up, and here you guys can see this is just fading in. And here at this particular point, what I want to do is I just want to apply the fade out option. Okay, so if you just come here and just place the fade out option over here, let's come here, let's move it quite over here onto this timeline. Let's move the keyframe over here as well. Okay, so now the video right over here will just fade in, and again it will just continue over here and it will just fade out accordingly. Okay, so this was about that. So let's come here, let's play it out. Okay, so I will come here, and what I'll do is I will just delete keyframe. So let's come here, let's place it. Okay, so let's see how it actually looks. So this is how it will just appear. Okay, and this is how it will disappear from here as well. Okay, so this is about the fade in and out option. And suppose instead of that also you want to put any kind of transitions. Okay, so in that case you guys can come here to the transition option, and what you can do is here you guys can see this is how this transition will look like. So you guys can come here, put on to the dissolve transition, just put it right over here. And what you can do is you guys can just decrease the duration of it. And if you want to place it or over here, you guys will be able to place it accordingly. And the same way here you guys can see, you guys can just bring and drop this one right over here and just decrease its timing quite like this. So now let's see how this b-roll footage will appear here on my screen. You guys can see now again it will just disappear accordingly. Okay, so this is how this transition things basically work. If you want to apply any other effects, you guys will be able to do it from here as well. So the first thing, let's come here and let's go to this option. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to add this audio up. So let's come here, let's just add this audio up from here. Let's just move the timeline. Let's take this particular option, okay, which is the quick split mode. Let's come here and let's just give this a cut over onto this particular place. Again, let's take the selection tool, let's select this particular part and let's click on to the delete option. Okay, so now I will just move this one up right over here as well. Okay, so this is the b-roll footage, and again what I'll do is I will come here and I'll just put another b-roll footage over here as well. Let's just decrease the size of this b-roll footage. And now here what you're going to do is you're going to go to the basic option of the video and now come here and go here on top. First off, as this one is locked, okay, so come here and just decrease the size accordingly. And now let's move it right over here onto this particular corner. And now here you guys can see if I just choose this one, the position here has been changed accordingly. So I will just come here, let me just drag it right here in one corner. Okay, so I have just dragged it here in one corner as well. If I want to put some transitions here, I will also be able to put some transition. Let's see how this actually looks. So I will come here, I will just add this transition right over here as well. So let me just place it. Let me just come here. Let's select this option. Okay, and if I just play it using my video, so here you guys can see now if I just come here and if I do want to place it somewhere here, and let's just decrease the size. Okay, so now let's see a preview. Okay, now play, and this is how it will appear. And now again for the transition, I will come here, drag and drop this one over here as well. Okay, so now here you guys can see as this one is online content, so this one is just taking time. So let's just create. This is how it will appear here on the screen, and this is how it will just go off. Okay, so yeah, this is all about the b-roll footage. And if you want to do some color grading here, you will be able to do the color grading from here as well. Suppose you want to put any LUTs and stuff, you guys will be able to put some LUTs and all here as well. If you want to see the preview, you guys come here, and here you guys can see different preview right over here. If you want to decrease the strength, you guys will be able to decrease the scan. And here you guys can see this AI model right over here is being updated. So sometimes you might see if that thing is not downloaded and stuff. Okay, so you just need to wait for some time, and here you guys can see that is done successfully. If you want to come here and if you want to increase this one, you guys will be able to increase it accordingly as well. Okay, so once you're done here, you guys can come here. If you want to view it, only this particular part here, you guys can view it, and again go to the same part over here as well. So this is how you guys will be able to add different videos. And suppose inside this video you want to place another video, so you just need to stack this video on top of this one using this particular option, which is the manage track option, and video track. And after that you will be able to scale down the video more, and after that you'll be able to view this b-roll footage and all accordingly. Okay, so this is where I have showed you guys how you'll be able to work with keyframes as well, showed you about transitions, and also about b-roll footage over here into this place. Okay, so I have just did this to show you guys with some random videos, but for your social media you guys can use a lot of videos. There is no user there is no restriction, depends totally on yourself and your imagination. Okay, so hope to see you all in the next chapter. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.